Welcome to this lesson on text to image generation. In the following lessons, I've included crash courses on how to use Adobe Firefly, DALL-E, and Midjourney. These are three powerful tools that can help you create images from text. In this lesson, I want to talk about the differences between the apps, which one I recommend. In the following lessons, I walk through how to actually use these tools to create images. Later on in the course, I have a case study specific to using these tools for YouTube thumbnails that you should check out. For now, I just want to walk you through how to use these tools, but you can use them for anything. Imagine creating YouTube thumbnails, but also artwork within your videos. Any sort of image or graphic, you can use these tools to create that kind of artwork. So here on the screen, you can see Adobe Firefly. It's in beta right now, and these tools are changing and being updated all the time. So by the time you watch this, it might change. It might be something that you're using Photoshop and you're actually would rather just use Photoshop to create artwork instead of using the web app. But if you're not a Photoshop user and you do have an Adobe account, Adobe Firefly does have this web option, which is at firefly.adobe.com. You'll see the text to image generation page, and you can see all of the different examples of types of images that people are creating based off of text prompts. So this is just someone typing in text, and you can get a highlight of the text here, and you can see what was created. And so I'm going to walk you through this process in the crash course lesson, but use this as inspiration for what you might need to create. Not just big thumbnail images, but maybe background textures that you include in a video or in a graphic that you're using. You can use it all sorts of ways. The quality of images in Adobe Firefly is really, really high. So I like using Firefly. The downside is you need an Adobe membership to use Firefly, which does cost. So that's no good if you want something for free. DALL-E is OpenAI's tool. OpenAI created ChatGPT, and they have created DALL-E, which is their text-to-image generation tool. To get to DALL-E, you can go to openai.com and go down to product and then DALL-E 2, and you can try it out. If you have a ChatGPT account, it's the same account. You do need to purchase credits. So if you go up to your profile up here, you can click buy credits, and it takes credits to actually create images. So it's more affordable than Adobe Firefly, and they used to have free credits every month. They've sort of changed this, so you might be able to try it out for free if you are new. But you can see the images. I have just found that it's really hard to get these high quality images using prompts in DALL-E, but you can try it out. It's much more affordable. And if you already have the ChatGPT account, you might as well try it out. And I have the crash course that walks you through this. And then lastly, there's Midjourney. Midjourney is super, super powerful. It also costs though. So go to midjourney.com and choose join the beta. This is a bit more confusing than the other tools because you're actually using Discord as the tool, the interface to create images, but you can see that these are all images that I've actually created from my own prompts, from photorealistic images of this cat wearing a top hat to artwork like this kid going on an adventure here, all sorts of fun stuff that you can do with Midjourney. So here you can see an example of this like background pattern or textures. Here we got all these vintage style cameras that are cool. You can do so much with Midjourney and with all of these tools. So enjoy the next lessons where I walk through how to use each of these tools. And then for more specific YouTube video creator content using these tools, I'll see you in the case study section later on.